Rise, beautiful souls. Today we are going to talk about Libra Rising in the Vedic birth chart. What are they like? And more.
Rise, beautiful souls. I have a message for those who have done their healing work, understood their mission, and adhered to the laws of the universe and Ma'at.
In Vedic astrology, a Libra rising is called Tula Lagna. This means the zodiac sign Libra was rising on the eastern horizon at the moment of birth. The main ruling planet of Libra rising is Sparkles Venus, Shukra, the planet of beauty, harmony, love, creativity, refinement, relationships, pleasure, and artistic energy. For Libra rising specifically, Venus becomes the Lagna lord, ascendant ruler, which makes Venus one of the most important planets in the entire birth chart. In Vedic astrology, Venus also rules the 8th house for Libra ascendants, adding depth, transformation, mystery, and emotional intensity beneath the calm outer appearance. Cherry blossom characteristics of Libra rising, Tula Lagna, balance scale natural personality. Libra risings are usually diplomatic, charming, peaceful, socially intelligent, fair-minded, elegant in speech and behavior. You naturally notice imbalance in people and situations and often try to restore harmony. Dizzy Venusian energy. Because Venus rules your ascendant, beauty and aesthetics become important. You may love art, music, fashion, luxury, or spiritual beauty. Relationships deeply influence your emotional state. You often have a soft magnetic presence that draws people toward you. Many Libra risings naturally radiate grace and gentleness. Dove strengths. Libra rising people often have strong social awareness, natural diplomacy, the ability to understand multiple perspectives, creativity and artistic sensitivity, a refined sense of balance and justice. They are often very good mediators between people. New moon hidden challenges. Libra rising can also struggle with overthinking decisions, avoiding confrontation, wanting everyone to like them, losing themselves in relationships, suppressing anger to keep peace. Because Venus also rules the 8th house in Vedic astrology, many Libra risings experience periods of deep emotional transformation throughout life. Beneath the calm exterior, there is often much more intensity than people realize. Glowing star physical and energetic traits. Many Libra risings have symmetrical or attractive facial features, beautiful eyes or smile, a graceful walk or elegant energy, a naturally refined appearance, pleasant voice and social manners. Venus often gives softness and attractiveness to the aura. Ringed planet. Important planet for Libra rising Sparkles Venus, Shukra. This planet becomes the key to the entire chart. How strong or weak Venus is in the chart affects love life, self-esteem, creativity, beauty, finances, emotional harmony, personal magnetism. A strong Venus can make Libra rising very charismatic, artistic, loving, and spiritually refined. Crescent moon spiritual lesson of Libra rising. The deeper soul lesson for Libra rising is often learning balance between pleasing others and honoring yourself. Libra rising souls are here to understand harmony without self-sacrifice, love without losing identity, and beauty that comes from inner balance.